Hi, this is Luke A. with the PCT North America team, and in this video I will show you how to use the Compare tool. The Compare tool can be found in the Toolbox in View, under the Compare tool tab. To use the Compare tool, you must have two maps visible. In this example, I will load a painted zones layer in the left map, created with the Zone Painting tool, and in the right map I will load a yield layer. Then, in the Compare tool pane, select the layer from the left map, set a number of intervals or interval size, and select a layer from the right map. Then click Compare Layers. Then a PDF comparison report will be created. You have the option to set further zoning configuration settings, and if the layers chosen are available in multiple fields, you can run the comparison across the farm or grower level. For another example, I will select an elevation layer in the left map and compare it to yield.